which looks like this. Now this is just to go to your website. Now this link may not work, but it did. And you wonder why? Oh, there. So, I'm logged in. I actually had to resubmit through it because there was a bug. But I'm in now and I noticed a typo. Great. So if it does tell you that there is an update available, just click please update now when you first log in. And then click all, select all, and then say update plugins. And that should only take a second. I'm just going to pause it because it may take longer because my internet's slow. Alright guys, so I've done it. I've updated them. So now I'm just going to click home. And then you want to click customize your site. You don't need this nor this anymore. So it just says you are customizing. So now you can change the theme if you want. I'm just going to keep it on 2020. And so you can go through these. I like to select my own logo that I have on my computer. So I will just do, I'll just grab it. Now, you should just be able to get it. I have it on my desktop. Alright, okay. So now just go here. Oh, yeah, I just opened it. So you would just want to select this and drag and drop. And I don't know what that error was, but it was one. So I drag and dropped it. 2020 new, copy link. I'll just say select. And I'll say skip cropping. And now you have a logo. I'll say retina. And I will do the same thing for my site icon. Skip cropping. And so now this is what your site icon is. And now you can go back and go to theme options, cover plate, background image. I just want to keep this simple, but you can make your own, you can do your own menu, which I would like to, I just like what I do normally is create a new one. I'll just call this menu, and I'm just gonna click all these, except I don't want it to be a social menu. And then you can click add items, but first you should probably publish this. So I'm just gonna click publish. So now I will go to hue weather egg.rf.gd. Now, as you can see, it is actually not secure. It says it up in the corner. But don't worry, I'll show you a way how to get it secure in the next one. But now, I will just say edit page. And so after you do that, what you can do is actually edit your home page. So instead of the new, whatever it's called, opens its doors, you could call it weather egg. And then what I can do is say down here, I can just select all this, and then I can just start typing if you don't want any of it, and just say weather egg, and then I'll hit enter. And now I can say weather egg is a YouTuber. Weather egg is a Weather egg is a person on YouTube that made this site for a tutorial, which is what I'm going to say. And so then after that, I can just select all the rest of this. Delete, delete, delete. And it should just be like that. You should just be able to delete everything that you do not want here. Like these images, I don't like them either. If you don't like them, I don't like them, by the way. That's a little but you can just do all that and hit delete. And then you do have, now what you have is this, your page. So now you can just edit how you want. Now I'm just gonna center all this, center there. And then what I will do is click update. And then I'll click view page. Like this. As you can see, weather egg comes up. Now if you just want to edit that, you can. Now I'll say menu and close menu. There's nothing there. You can search on it. It's for YouTube. And then what you can do is, you want to customize it, you can say add items. And so now you can just make a new post if you want, or I can say new page. Actually, when I want to do new page, and then I will call it about, and then I will say, I'll make it in the center, and I'll say weather egg is a YouTuber. Say YouTube person. Is a person. Say this is what I'll say. This weather egg is a person that does YouTube. And this needs to be uppercase there. And then what I will do is say weather egg is weather Alex 1. The website for weather Alex 1. I will give them my link that I have called wba1.rf.gd. So using same Infinityfree hosting, so there. And I think that is pretty straightforward. If you guys do understand it, I'll just say publish. So now you're there, and after you do that, I'll just go back here, and as you can see, it is there. So now what I will do is say posts, or it was about, let's see, does my about page come up? Is this the right one? Hopefully. Can I see this? Is this it? should be able to say about at the bottom actually. And as you can see, it says find us, which I just want to delete all this, so just delete that and delete that. Oh, just remove. And then back, I'll go through one and then say about the site here, and then I'll say remove because you don't need it. And then what I will do is go back again. Homepage settings, you don't need to change unless you really want to change your web homepage. And then what I would do is go to menus. Right, so I am just on here, and I hope you guys figured out how to do this. Now I actually accidentally hit stop recording, so now I'm re-recording with some other stuff. And anyway, you guys can probably figure it out. If you just go, because I wanted to get rid of the social links menu, I'll just go to here and then delete menu. And I don't want it to be about. And remove. So there. I don't know why my icons are glitched, but whatever. And so after that, as you can see, it's right here. And I will just say publish. And I'm just going to refresh this because one of the things isn't showing up that I wanted to put in. So now you will come to here, and if you remember, I made another thing, a page. So now I will just go into menus. I'll go into menu, and I'll click add items. And this should be my about page that I should add. So now I'll click off. I'll say about. I don't know why that one isn't the one that I wanted. I'll do about 2. About -2. About -2. No? That one in, I think. Now I will just say, I'll just publish it now because I wanted to add an about page. So now when I refresh this, there's going to be an about page. And here it is. So, yeah. And this is all I have, and that's how to set up your very own website with Infinityfree. So, next vid I will show you how to get SSL and make your site secure. So, bye!